Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we'll be making a comb swipe painting. I get to use this bad boy. I love this comb. I've done so many paintings with it, I love it. We'll run through the colors as I pour them on the canvas. Let's get started. Have some fun. Alright, move this over. We're going to start with our white base. Just titanium white. Alright. Yeah. That's it. Alright guys. On there. Now we'll start with our colors. I'm going to start off with light blue. There we go. Light blue right across. Great. Then we're going to go some turquoise. Now I do have silicone in all paintings except for all the paints except for the white. We're going to do lemon yellow. Silver. Oh, a lot of silver. Ooh, boy. Ooh, that was a lot of silver. And we're going to do this pearlized violet. Yeah, I like this one a lot. This is really nice. Alright. And we're going to finish her off. Just a little more of the titanium white. Just a little bit. Alright, there we go. Okay. Alright guys, here we go. Let's do a little swiping. I think we're gonna torch first though. What do you think? I think so. Oh boy, here we go. Alright. Okay. Here we go guys. We'll go up here first. Right? Very nice. Ooh, we swiped too far in that way. There we go this way. Just like that. Alright. Now, let's reload a little white here. Since we took it with us in that one swipe. Just come right across. That's fine. That'll work. And let's go down now. Alright, here we go. Right down in there. Oh. Bag right in that center. Oh, I love it. Looks great. And we drag down right there. Alright, there we go. Oh, nice. Okay. Say goodbye to that comb. I love this one. Just put a little here. I'm just going to do my corners. Alright. And then we're going to do... Yeah, it looks great. It looks really good. Let's fire up again. See if we can get some cells going here. Alright. Let's do some tilting. Which way do you want to go? I'm going to go down. This purple. Oh, nice and slow. Yeah, I don't want to go too fast. Well, we might even add some white if we need to. I guess we'll tilt off that corner. We can always come back now. Alright. Oh, I like that purple up there, huh? Might as well just tilt up this corner too. Alright, so finished off that corner. And we'll come down. Alright guys, here we go. I guess we'll go bottom. right corner, coming down. Yep, there you go. Come back up. I want to keep that line in the center if I can. No promises, but we're gonna try. Here we go. Let's get the last corner now. Should have gotten it before, right? Because now that's gonna tilt the whole thing out, right? I think. Yeah, see, we should have added it before. That's okay. Put the painting once. We like that. There we go. Got that corner now. Oh, let's bring her back in. See if we can bring it as good close to center as we can. I like the colors. I like this purple up top. I like that the purple didn't really end up on the bottom. Yeah. Let's come back this way a little. All right. Let's bring her down. Okay, here we go. Nice and gentle. Yeah. Ooh, I like it. I like the cells in this, guys. The cells are nice, and I think we're gonna do some nice torching right here. See what we can get out of these cells. All right, here we go. Nice and slow. All right. Let's heat that surface up. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. I like it. I think she looks good. Let's go in for a close-up, guys. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.